Hello, hi, it's Liz here and we're at week 5 of take 3, and this week I'm going to use some pattern paper with some tiny pattern, some Project Life cards. This was a method of scrapbooking that I used a number of years ago, and when I used to see these in the shop, boxes of them going cheap, I would just buy them up, and hence I have a huge bundle of them, which I'm still working my way through, but they are handy to have. They're double-sided and there's usually journaling spots on one of the sides, so we'll use a couple of them. And I have a stamp set. This is Autumn Leaves Flowers. It doesn't say, it says a division of Creativity Inc. I have had this for a long time. I don't even know if this would still be available, but I'm sure you have flower stamps or something similar. Doesn't even need to be flower, it can be butterflies or anything you fancy. So I have already stamped out a few flowers. The good thing about these papers is the design on them is nice and small, and so let me see if we want a different flower. And so when you're stamping, you get, some of the pattern rather than like, if it was a patterned paper with a big design on it, then you maybe not get like all the bits of the pattern, if you know what I mean. Hard to describe. Anyway, let's stamp before I witter on. So nice and easy. We'll just let that one aside and let it dry a little bit. So we're going to put the flowers on and make a little mini belly band. I don't like the term belly band, but if I call it something different, and I can't even think what you might call it, but if you think of something different, people might not know what you mean. Right, let's cut out those flowers and see how we go. We'll just move that down there, just, whoops, keep that safe just now over there, and we'll just give this a cut out. Now, I know we used flower stamps before, but the last time I think we stamped on book pages, so this makes it slightly different. And you can see now what I mean by the pattern being small on the paper, so that you can get a nice bit of floral coming through on the stamped image. Because otherwise, if it was big, it might just look like a plain piece of paper once you've stamped on it, if the pattern is big. Yeah, I'm going to stop getting on about that now. You think you know what I mean. Right, we'll add these to the collection, and then we'll see if we've got enough to put onto our little cards. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to line up the flowers in the middle, and just hopefully, if the plan in my head is actually doable, then we'll see if it works. If I stick down one petal at either end and then stick the flower in the middle to those end flowers, that's the plan I've got. So let's just move that out the way. Now we're done with the paper for, just put that up there, because I hope that we've got enough flowers So let's see, let's try two. What have we got? Some of them are quite modern, but you can easily cover that up. Let's see what the other sides are like. That's quite nice, isn't it? What's on the other side of that? Oh, quite like that one. I'm not sure that my flowers would show up very well on that heavily patterned. Right, I like this one though, and I like this one, but I like that one as well. I'm not sure that I like my darling on the other side. Right, we'll put them up there and we'll just work with these two, I think. And that means we've got journaling space on the... Oh no, they're going... Well, I don't need to stick them in. I could clip them in if they're mini belly bands on the front and then journaling on the back. Or I might just stick them in. Anyway, let's see how we go. So if we put two there like that, and we've got one in the middle, and we've got one that will reach that one. Right, so we've got enough flowers. Let's put that at the bottom and that at the top. Oh, now will that one work? Because there isn't, oh yeah, there isn't like a petal facing a petal, if you know what I mean. Put that one underneath. Right, so we can go from top to bottom there, and we can go from top to bottom here. We just need to be careful where we're putting our glue, because I want it to be open. So that's what we need to keep in mind. Let's do this one first because it looks slightly easier. Now I wonder if the glue stick is enough. So I'm just going to put a little bit on this petal here. And a little bit on that petal there. And then we're going to join them up using this one as a wee bridge across. We might put that. Might put that underneath. Right, so we need some glue here. And we need some glue there. And we'll just lift it up for a second just till that dries. Yeah, I think that will work. I've got this to put in the middle. I got this in Happy Mail from Josephine, so thank you. And of course buttons can't be resisted. Will they go in? Yes, they will. Oh, that's cute. I think maybe I've made my flowers too loose and they might not hold that. I think I've bulged my flowers too much. Tighten them up a bit. That's better. Oh, it's a tricky business getting them under the petals. There. Yeah. Right, let's do this one. So, same sort of thing. This petal here. Let's not bulge this one. That petal there. And this one to be a bridge that way or that way. I think maybe that way. Right, so that skinny petal. There. And then that one. And of course you could stitch round. I wonder if I want to use my black pen round. Let's try this one. Oh, that's nice. I think I like the flowers in this one better. I don't know. Maybe because they're bigger and they're bolder. Right, let's keep, oh, I don't know. That, I was going to say keep that one as a spare, but I've got my Take 3 book here. And let's find a wee space that might be quite nice for a wee belly band. I wonder if we could move that up a bit and have it. No. On top of this, maybe, where this funny pocket tag thing is. Is that? So it's just a, right, put them back in. It's just a skinny pocket that's been attached to just a little bit of craft paper. So let's see. Oh, that's quite nice. Do you know, I think now that it's on there, I like the brown. The brown seems to match better, I think. What do we think? There's more brown there. Just give me 2 minutes till I stare at it for a while. Because, you know, it's a big decision. But then that's got the brown. No, I think I like that one. I think I like that one. Now, maybe I should just clip it. Maybe I should just clip it on rather than have it on. Let's see. Let's me just stretch for the bag of clips and see if we can find something. Here's a wee coat hanger. Oh, this is a nice one. Let me just untangle this. How does this? There we are. Right. So let's try clipping it on. Just need to bend that out a wee bit. Let's push it the other way. It doesn't want to come. Right, this is when you just think that it was a bad idea to do something on the camera. There we are. Well, it's a strong clip. Come on. Let's just take that out just now. There. Yeah. Yeah, like that. And I've got a spare one. What do you think? Now it could maybe do with a wee bit of ink round the edges, maybe, and a wee line, a wee black line round, to finish it off. But I think I'm going to leave it there just now. And yeah, so happy with that. What do you think? Yeah. Okay, so thanks for joining me today. If you've enjoyed the video, a thumbs up would be great, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.